Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. And please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay guys, so for today's video, I cannot believe it, but my Beautylish order that I placed on Friday for the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics liners is already in. And you know that I had to order this pink comfy robe too. So today's video, guys, I'm gonna be doing an in-depth review of the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics liners. We're going to be doing a direct comparison between the old formula and the new formula so you guys can really see the difference. I'm also going to be using the black liner. I did purchase Weirdo. I'm going to be putting that in my waterline. I'm going to be doing a live demo for you guys just so you can see how amazing these also work in the waterline. Also guys, before I forget, if you're interested in this look here, I finally got to play with my Put It Back shade and I came up with this look and I'm absolutely living for it. So if you're interested, if you picked up the shade yourself and you're looking for some inspo and you want a tutorial, I will have that posted on Friday, so definitely keep your eyes open if you're looking for that. And yeah guys, if you want to see an in-depth review of Jeffree's new liners, then please keep watching. Okay guys, I am literally barely going to touch on this, but it's been really hard for me to muster up the strength and courage to film and post lately. Everything that I've been filming and posting, I'm getting the most vile, disgusting, negative comments on. I've had to go through and delete so many, and it's really annoying and really hard to have people to try to bully you to stop liking something that you love just because of reasons that they deem are necessary. I personally, it's about the makeup for me, like I've said a million bazillion times. Just because I love the makeup and I support Jeffree Star does not mean I condone anything he's done in his past, and that's all I want to touch on in terms of the drama. It is not about that here on this channel. I want to keep it about the makeup, so let's do that. All right guys, so these new liners are bomb. First of all, let me just come right out and say that. I literally went on Beautylish. I was gonna order 2, but didn't I order 5 and the robe? Like I literally cannot control myself when it comes to Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like I just have to have it all. By the way guys, stick around to the very end of the video. I'm going to be giving a little review on this guy. I posted a picture of myself wearing this and you guys loved it. You had so many questions about the robe, so I am going to do a little review as well. But let's jump right into the liners. So I don't know if you guys had purchased any of Jeffree's old liners, but the formula was not the best. It was very crumbly. It was very hard to build up on. I like when I use a lip liner to fill my entire lip with it. You just simply couldn't do that with the older formula. It was very dry and crumbly, and it looked very pilly when you put it all over your lips and then put a lipstick on top. It was just not a pretty situation. So guys, I am happy to say that this new formula is nothing like that. It is so beautiful. So that is something I really love about Jeffree. He got a little bit of critique when he first put out these liners. He stopped mentioning them altogether, started working on the formula and relaunched them. He really cares about what his customers have to say. He really takes our opinion to heart and really tries to improve the products for us, and I absolutely love him for that. I think he's a bomb businessman. But yeah guys, let's jump into these liners. So Jeffree pretty much put out 26 of the same shades that he put out before, but it's in a new formula, so these are much creamier, he's saying. They're also, you're able to build them up, they don't crumble as easily, and they're apparently bomb.com, and I'm here to tell you they are pretty good. So these guys go for $16 a pop American, and that comes to $22 Canadian. I think that's a pretty average and fair price for a liner. It's a really great quality. As we know, Jeffree doesn't put out shitty quality stuff, except for the palette he did with Morphe. But yeah, I absolutely love these guys. I'm so excited about this new formula. I'm just ready to buy about the rest of them. I only bought 5, but I want all 26. Honestly, love. So first, what I want to do is show you a direct comparison between the old formula and the new formula. So what I'm going to do is a live swatch for you of Anna Nicole in the old formula as well as Anna Nicole in the new formula. All right, guys, this is the original Anna Nicole shade. As you can see, just from a few swipes, it's completely crumbly. You cannot build on it at all. Just does not look nice, very textured. And this is the new Anna Nicole. As you can see, it's effortless, smooth as hell, just like goes right on. The only difference is this is not as vibrant anymore, whereas this one is very orange vibrant. So I'm not a giant fan of that, but you can definitely see that the formula has vastly improved. So as you guys saw for yourself, the old one is a lot more vibrant, but you could see how thick it was. It like looked crumbly. It didn't look smooth and clean like the new Anna Nicole shade. I don't really like that it's not as neon-y, I will say that, but we can clearly see that the formula has vastly improved. So yeah, guys, if you were wondering if you previously had purchased some of his older liners and you really were curious about the new formula, I can absolutely attest that he has definitely improved it. It's much creamier, it's much easier to apply, and it looks gorgeous and luscious on the lips. I absolutely love it. So now I'm gonna show you guys the swatches of the other colors I purchased so you can see for yourself how highly pigmented they are, how beautiful they glide. I wanted to make sure that this was a live swatching so you could really see how they perform. This is the shade Christmas Cookie. As you guys can see, it just glides on. This is the shade Weirdo, super pretty black. This is the shade Androgyny, super pretty color, especially if you're deeper toned like me and you like a nude. This is so beautiful. And then finally, the last one I wanted to show you guys, this is Crocodile Tears. So now I wanted to show you guys how absolutely wearable these liners are for your eyes as well. I love that this is a product that's multi-use. I can use it as a liner. I can throw it in my waterline to really make my eye looks pop when I use a specific color, and I love that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Weirdo. I'm gonna show you guys how it works in the waterline. So I'm just going to... Honestly, not the deepest, darkest black, but it's pretty good, dude. For the fact that it's a liner and you can use it on your eye as well, I love that. Let me finish it off. So as you guys can see, you can totally comfortably use this in your waterline for when you want to give that dark charcoaly look. You can even smudge it out if you wanted a more smoked out look. These are absolutely wonderful, guys. They're totally worth the price. I am in love. And guys, like I mentioned previously, I posted a picture of myself wearing this robe, and the outpour of response from you guys was amazing. You had so many questions about the robe, so let me tell you. So first, the number one thing that was asked is about the size. So I'm going to say that this is absolutely true to size. The hood isn't too like crazy. It's not too big. I hate when a hood is too big. I feel like it's the perfect size. Mine is in a size small. I'm more petite, but I do love my robes to be nice and roomy. I was worried about ordering this or the medium, but the small is absolutely perfect. Again, I am a little bit more petite, but I love my robes to be nice and loose and comfy, and it's just that. Now, another thing, guys, I absolutely think this must be the softest robe that's ever touched my skin. It is as soft as it looks. If you guys are on the market for a robe, I highly suggest you get this one. And honestly, for me, the hood is just such a nice touch. I'm such a hood girl. Like, I love cozying up in a hood, especially I'm from Canada. Ooh, my hair got crazy. Especially I'm from Canada, so it gets super cold here in the winter, so I love this. It's a little hot for right now. I will tell you, I am absolutely stifling, wondering if my makeup's melting off, but like, I love this robe, guys. If you're curious about it, I highly suggest you go for it. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, guys, if you like this style of video, please give me a giant thumbs up. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Out of all of the shades I got, which was your favorite? How did you think that they performed? Do you see the difference like I did between the old formula and the new formula? And what did you think of how it looked in the waterline? I'm so curious to hear all your thoughts. Please, guys, definitely leave me a comment down below. And guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.